Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Pharma Fun for Us. So like I said, the aim of this channel is to promote awareness about the different medical terms that are used to help the people who are pursuing pharmacy to learn more and who want to pursue pharmacy but are not sure, and for them to understand, for everybody who wants to understand the medicine that they are taking. So why are they taking that and all, and not just because they have been prescribed that medicine. So I'm going to use really simple language so that everybody can understand. All the medical terms can be understood by anyone who just wants to know about it. To understand the prescription that is given to you, to understand the different terms that are used on the packaging of your or the strips of your tablets or bottles of the syrups that are using. So that is the aim of this channel. And today's video we will be learning about different dosage forms that are available. What are dosage forms, what are the types and all. I am Abidunisa Begum. I have done masters in pharmacy. I am a postgraduate in pharmacy, and I am a technical and a soft skills trainer as well. Coming to the agenda of the video, what it is, we'll be learning about the dosage forms, the need of the dosage form, and types of dosage form based on their physical form, like solid dosage forms, semi-solid and liquid dosage form, and then gaseous dosage forms. So the term dosage form, what is it? It's actually, if it's seen, it's a very professional way of saying a pharmaceutical preparation. So dosage form is a pharmaceutical preparation actually. So it's a product that is designed for administration to the body for the diagnosis or treatment of a disease. So it is delivered to the site of action within the body to produce the optimum desired effect and minimum adverse effects. Adverse effects are the side effects or the wrong effects that are not undesired effects, you can say. And what is the need of it? Why do you need these dosage forms? Because giving a proper dosage form to a drug uh, is needed for administration of drug safely to the body without any destruction to the drug or any harmful effect to the body. So destruction to the drug here, what does it mean? That means some drugs, what do? They become inactive or get destructive when given orally. Why? Because of the gastric juice that is present in our body. Sometimes some drugs affect gastric lining or the mucosa and are not intended for oral use. So there are different routes of administration available, right? So you cannot take certain drugs orally because of the gastric juice. You have to take it through other routes. For example, you can take it in the form of injections. And then the different needs. What is the need? Like accurate dosage. Accurate dose can be measured if you are making it into dosage forms, making a drug into dosage form, and protection to the tablets and the injections. Like if it's a tablet, it is coated, and if it's an ampule, it can be sealed well. So protection is also provided, and the taste and the odor of the drug can also be masked or covered by the sweetening agents or different agents that are available in the drug. And the use of desired vehicle for insoluble drugs, as in some drugs are insoluble into the body. So using a vehicle helps in dissolving the drug when and how it is desired. Then placement of drug within the body tissues and sustained release medication, controlled release medication. All this is possible only if there is a dosage form to it. And like we know, optimal drug action, that is the basic necessity for the dosage form. And then sometimes the one drug may have more than one dosage form or more than one route of administration. And knowledge of these is very essential for a person who is prescribing the medicine, like the doctor, or even if it's a pharmacist. It's very essential to know all these for successful prescription writing and achieving maximum therapeutic response from a drug. Okay, now let us consider some of the important dosage forms and how are they classified. They are classified based on two types. One is the route of administration, and the other is the physical form. Routes of administration would be oral, parenteral, oral as in through the mouth, parenteral can be through different injections, parenteral as in other than mouth. So that is what parenteral means. And then topical on the skin, transdermal is on the dermis of the skin, inhalational like nebulizer or what do you call them? Nebulizers or different asthmatic pumps and sublingual and buccal tablets that is that are there like and ophthalmic is through the eye, otic through the ears, and rectal is the administration of drugs through the rectum. And the physical form, based on their physical form, the dosage forms are divided. So the physical forms are solid, semi-solid, liquid, and gases. So in today's video, we will be learning the dosage forms, the classification of dosage form based on their physical forms. Why physical form? Because that will also include all the routes of administration involved, and it will be easier if you study based upon the physical dosage form. Solid dosage forms include tablets, capsules, powders, etc. In tablets, these are actually hard solid dosage forms. They are compressed and they are available in different shapes and sizes. There are different types of tablets also, like the buccal and sublingual. They are placed under the tongue or between the gum and the cheek. And there are effervescent tablets, which react rapidly as soon as you put them into the water. They start the effervescence is started in that. And then there are chewable tablets, and the lozenges are also there. The tablets itself now capsules. What happens in capsules? These are actually cylindrical, what do you say, pouches or caches or containers which contain the medicine. These cylindrical caches or the pouches, they are made of gelatin. It can be hard gelatin or soft gelatin capsules. These are of two types. In hard gelatin capsules, the medicament is dry powdered ingredient. And in the soft gelatin capsules, usually it's for oils, different cod liver oil and all. The semi-solid dosage forms include gel, ointment, and cream. They are usually meant for topical application. So ointments are semi-solid, they are greasy, and like I said, for topical application on the skin. And uh, then you have creams. Creams are again semi-solid emulsions that is a mixture of oil and water. So they are of two types, oil in water creams and water in oil creams. Then you have the gels. Gels are semi-solid system in which liquid phase is constrained within a 3D polymeric matrix. It consists of natural or synthetic gum, and they are used for medication and in lubrication and some miscellaneous applications like carrying agents to be used inside the body. This may also include pastes. So what are pastes? They are basically ointments only. They which have high percentage of insoluble solid. So they are thick when compared to ointments. Then you have suppositories. It's a small solid medicated mass you can say, and it's usually cone shaped. It's either inserted into the rectum where it melts based upon the body temperature and releases the medicament or the drug that is available in it. Coming to liquid dosage forms, there are solutions and emulsions. So, solutions, they are clear liquid preparations for oral use containing one or more active ingredient dissolved in a suitable vehicle. So, it does not mean that solutions are only for oral use. Based upon their routes of administration, they can be used as different medicaments. Like it can be a sterile solution for injections, or it can be also used as a gargle. Otic, as in it can be used in ear drops or eye drops or the nasal drops, or they can also be used as syrups. So These are the solutions, and then you have emulsions. These are oil in water or water in oil types of mixtures. And like you see in this, one phase is dispersed into the another, the oil phase or the water phase, oil in water or water in oil. And again, they are divided based upon their different routes of administrations, whether it's through oral or parenteral, or I mean, like we know different routes of administrations. The gaseous dosage form, one example would be aerosol sprays. So several different types of pharmaceutical products may be packed in pressurized dispensers. So they are known as aerosols. They may be used as surface disinfectants, wound or burn dressing, relieve irritation of bites. So these sprays can be useful for that. And spray on duster powders, they are also available as pressurized preparations. We also have inhalers and nebulizers that can be considered into the gaseous dosage forms, or they can be different solutions or suspensions or emulsions, like we saw, based upon different routes of administration. So that was about it. If you have any queries regarding the video or regarding different these dosage forms and all, please feel free to post your queries and suggestions in the comment section below. Would be Feedback is really welcome. Thank you very much.